How's it going? This is your host Harshit back again with another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to be doing something special. You can see from the title of this video we are going to be starting scientific experiments, and in this scientific experiment number 1 we're going to start inflating a balloon with the help of carbon dioxide. And how we're going to get carbon dioxide in this video, we're going to show you by mixing a combination of baking soda, which I have over here, and synthetic vinegar. We're going to have a mixture of this. It's going to generate carbon dioxide for us, and with that carbon dioxide it's going to help us inflate a balloon. So to get things started, first of all we need the following materials. We're going to need one funnel. So I got this funnel over here, and then you need synthetic vinegar. You could have this a cooking household thing, and as well as baking soda. This is also household kitchen stuff. A spoon, a teaspoon you could have, and a balloon, and also a bottle, a glass bottle I got because it's more durable, but you also use plastic bottles in this case too. Okay, so first of all, to get this thing started we need this bottle. We're gonna have to get this funnel to it, and we're gonna put this funnel inverted up. Okay, then after that we're gonna get our synthetic vinegar, and we're gonna open a lid, and we're gonna have to pour it down. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have to put it in the half. It has to go in the half over here. So yeah, it's enough. So after I put synthetic vinegar, I'm gonna now get some baking soda, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get this balloon, and I'm gonna put baking soda over here. So come over here. I'm gonna hold this. Now put baking soda. Put that, and put baking soda in here. Yeah, you need a partner with you too. So I got my partner somewhere. He's gonna help me. Put more. Put more. Try to put till the top of this, like I could say a half quarter of a baking soda, until it's, you can see over here. Yeah, well, we need one more spoon. Okay, put this last one. Yeah, now we have enough baking soda over here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is hold this. I'm gonna get this funnel. I'm gonna invert it now, and I have my solution over here, and I have my baking soda. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna hold this with my thumb and finger, so I can block the opening from here. So I don't want that reaction happening right now. I'm gonna block it with my fingers, and I'm gonna put this bottom part over here. I'm gonna put it over here like that. After that, I'm gonna put this down to one. Okay, now I have it over here right now closed. So I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna let go of the solution, and let's see what's gonna happen. So whoa, this is our carbon dioxide generator. You can see the solution going vaporizing. Oh my god, there's so much solution in the balloon. This is the carbon dioxide that's generated from all this experiment. So we just generated carbon dioxide using a solution of vinegar and baking soda. So hope you guys like this experiment. Leave a thumbs up if you like it, comment down, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.